once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell.
Hello guys, so hear me out again. So let's continue guys. So ayan guys, na-mince ko na yung ano natin, yung onion natin, then ito yung garlic. I mince the garlic using this chopper, and then this the zucchini guys. So let's do this guys. Let's add all the ingredients together. So I will use my hands. Here we go. The garlic is also here. I already washed my hands guys, you don't worry about that. So the onion, there we go. That's it guys. Then let's add the egg. Okay, just wait for a while guys, because I don't have anybody to hold my phone, so I need to put it down first to pause it, and then to crack the egg there. So ayan guys, I forget guys to tell you that I need to add some flour. This is organic flour guys, so I will add maybe around 3 spoonful, and then that's it guys. And let's add some salt, 1 teaspoon and a half. Then guys, I will add some dry yes. I think 1 teaspoon. That's it. So I'll mix it, and then the egg is already there, guys. These are 4 eggs. So now I will mix it. Mix it, guys. So this is it, guys. I already mixed it. So let's do frying now. Yeah, this kind of mixtures we're looking for guys. Make it the patties with zucchini. So I have frying pan here. Let's fry guys. I will put some oil. Put some oil salad. This. So just wait for a while to make it hot, the frying pan and the oil. So let's fry guys. So this is 1 spoon. Yeah, like this. And here. You can choose, you can add which veg you want guys. Can also carrots or potato, but for me I add zucchini. One more here. So ayan guys, let's flip over it, so like that. That's perfect guys. So the ingredients guys is minced beef and minced pork. Just mix it together, and then zucchini is a kind of squash, guys, and onion, garlic, and egg and flour, and then I put some guys, oil to fry, guys, and fry and fine. Yeah, salt, black pepper, that's it, guys. So enjoy, guys. Enjoy watching, guys. So I still have here. Let's continue to fry that all, guys. See you later. Maghanap tayo. Let's try one more. So while I'm frying, I just want to say make a little part to everyone, to my viewers, to my tintada and tintayag, to mga babalansi, to all supporters, secret viewers, and nari na lang din yan. So,
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all.